first way and most basic way is to build what's called proprioception. So that's basically you learning how to feel you're in the right position. So it's you knowing where your body is and what it's doing without having to look. So as an example, I've got a mirror here. When I go into certain positions, I can use this mirror to go, yep, that's me in the right position. That's a good use of how to build proprioception, but what we want to be able to do is go into positions and know that we're in the position without having to look, so we can feel the position. And that's what the bird dog is great for, and that's what a lot of exercises can be used for. So the reason why this is a good exercise to do is because not only do we need to maintain posture of the spine, we also need to move the shoulder and we need to move the opposite hip. So with regards to the position that we want to be in, so we want that curve through the spine, so the natural curve in the spine. But what happens a lot is when people come into the position and they'll arch. So they'll bring the leg up too high, they'll bring the arm up too high, and they'll break that position. What we want to be able to do is when we come into this position, we want to maintain that position. So we need to learn that if I start to come much higher, now my hip goes. So we need to know just through feel that that's my position. It's exactly the same with the arm. I know that about there is a good position for me. I can hold that. I know I'm in the right position. Then I can come back down. Even when I change position, there's not a loss of position and then coming back in. It's we hold the position and then off we go. Now the easiest way to do this, if you've noticed, is when I bring my arms back, I'm not bringing them back down, I'm bringing them and sliding them along the floor into position, and it's the same when I go out. So I push, it's as if I'm pushing my foot back like that, because if I lift, that then allows me to arch my back. But if I'm in this position, I just push my foot away, my back stays in position. It's exactly the same with the arm. So I need to push it along the floor so it lifts from the floor, so I can get the other benefits from it that we're going to talk about in a minute. But what we're also getting is the maintenance of position. So we're building that proprioception so we know what our body's doing, when it's doing it, and we know that we're staying in a good position without having to use things like mirrors or other coaches or other people or video to be able to tell us that we're in the position. That can be a good place to start, but we don't want to be there all the time.